everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into how to use XLOOKUP in Google Sheets. I'm so excited about this video. Are you ready? Let's get started. For this tutorial, I will be using the same spreadsheet that I used for my last video, where I used the import range function to pull in product data into my sales report spreadsheet. If you missed it and would want to know how I did it, head over to my channel to watch or click the link below. Now let's get into it. Here I have the vehicle sales report and the product data. On the vehicle sales report, I will be adding some additional data columns, which will be brought in from the product data sheet. I'll start by typing in the column names that I'll be adding, which are color, manufacturer, and country of manufacture. To get started, I will identify the field that is unique and appears on both sheets. This is a unique identifier, and on this sheet, it is the product number. Each number is unique to a particular product, which I'll be using for this formula. Let's head back to the sales report sheet. I'll start with the color field by typing in an equal to sign, followed by the XLOOKUP. As soon as you start typing the XLOOKUP, you'll notice the function option pops up. When you click on it, it gives you the information about the function. For this function, there are three main arguments, which are the search key, the lookup range, and the result range. There are also optional arguments, but for this tutorial, I'll be using just the first three. Starting with the search key, I will be selecting the field that will be used to look up the color in the product data sheet, which is located in cell B2. I'll follow up with that with a comma. For the lookup range, I'll move over to the product data sheet to select the lookup range, which is the column that contains the search key. It's located in column C. I'll select the entire column so it can search through the column range. I'll type a comma after that. The last input is the result range. This is the column that contains the information I want to return, which is the color of the product, and it's located at column D. I'll be selecting the entire column range to search through the entire column. As soon as I'm done, I'll hit the enter key on my keyboard and it immediately returns the lookup data. I'll double click on the bottom right angle to autofill the remaining fields. This way, I don't have to repeat the formula. I'll follow the same steps for the manufacturer and country of manufacture columns. Now you can see that we've been able to look up the color, manufacturer, and country of manufacture data from the product data sheet into the sales report sheet. One thing to note here is that the formula is not case sensitive. Notice how I use all capital letters for the first column search, and for the second, I capitalized just the first letter X, and for the last, I used all small letters, and the formula still works correctly. Just because I like to have uniform formula formats, I'll be changing the formulas to be in uppercase. I'll do this by deleting just the XLOOKUP and select the formula again. This shows up as soon as I start typing the letter X. Once this is done for the first cell, I'll copy the cell and select the remaining data and paste the copied formula. Now it's all capitalized. I'll repeat the same process for the country of manufacture. This is a smart way to look up data and return a corresponding value from another sheet, column, or dataset. Now we've come to the end. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.